How to export video with subtitles in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and make sure you have already added subtitles to your timeline. Next, go to the top menu and click on Project, then select Render. This will open the rendering window where you can choose your export format and settings. On the right hand side of the render window, look for the option that says Embed subtitles instead of burning them. Make sure to check this box if you want the subtitles to be permanently visible in your final video. Now choose your desired output format, commonly MP4 with H.264 codec for most platforms. Set the resolution, quality, and other export settings according to your needs. Finally, click on the Render to File button and wait for the process to complete. Your video will be exported with subtitles born directly into it. Now you know how to export video with subtitles in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.